Wooden critters decor brings a natural, rustic charm into your home, combining the beauty of wood with the whimsy of animals. These delightful pieces serve not only as eye-catching decor, but also as subtle expressions of nature and craftsmanship. Classic wooden critters, whether hand-carved or crafted using modern techniques, add a warmth and coziness to any space. They evoke feelings of tranquility, reminding us of the creatures we share the earth with and the beauty of the natural world. From majestic deer to playful squirrels, these animal-inspired wooden sculptures and decorations can complement a variety of interior designs. In this script, we're diving into the world of wooden critters, exploring the materials, designs, styles, and ways these pieces can transform your living spaces. The allure of wooden critters, timeless appeal of animal art. Wooden critters have a timeless appeal. There's something special about animal figures crafted from wood, whether they're rustic carvings or sleek, modern interpretations. These critters bring life to a space, infusing it with character and warmth. The appeal of wooden animals is rooted in their natural materials. Wood is organic, versatile, and full of texture, which adds a unique touch to every piece. Whether you're decorating a country home, a cozy cottage, or a contemporary urban apartment, wooden critters blend seamlessly into any setting. They embody the simplicity and beauty of nature, and because wood has its own grain and texture, each piece is unique. These critters might represent animals you love or those that hold special meanings for you, like the playful squirrel, the majestic eagle, or the peaceful deer. The art of creating wooden critters. Crafting wooden critters requires a delicate balance of artistry and skill. Carving animals from wood is an ancient art that has been passed down through generations. Artists today continue to refine these techniques, often combining traditional hand-carving methods with modern tools. The process starts with choosing the right kind of wood, typically hardwoods such as oak, walnut, maple, or cherry, known for their durability and fine texture. These woods take well to carving, sanding, and finishing, allowing the intricate details of animal forms to emerge. Once the wood is selected, the sketching phase begins. Many artists start by drawing the basic shape of the critter on the wood surface, mapping out where the major features, such as the ears, legs, or wings, will be. From there, the process of carving begins. The sculptor uses specialized tools, such as gouges, chisels, and knives, to gently remove material and shape the animal's features. For those creating larger pieces, power tools might be used to remove excess material, but much of the fine detailing still requires handwork. A well-carved wooden critter showcases the artist's skill in bringing out the character of the animal, capturing not just its physical form but its spirit. For example, a finely carved wooden owl might convey an air of wisdom, while a fox could be full of playful energy. After the carving is completed, the wood is sanded and smoothed to remove rough edges, preparing it for finishing. Some sculptors prefer to leave the wood with a natural finish, allowing the grain and imperfections to shine through. Others choose to stain or paint their pieces to achieve a more polished look or to introduce color, like the deep browns of a horse or the soft grays of a rabbit. Finishing can also involve sealing the wood to preserve its texture and prevent damage, especially if the sculpture is going to be placed outdoors. Popular wooden critters. Which animals inspire the most beautiful creations? The possibilities when it comes to the animals you can turn into wooden critters are virtually endless. Each animal has its own unique form and presence, which translates into a different creative challenge for the artist. Here are just a few of the most popular wooden critters that people love to feature in their homes. Deer and elk. The majestic deer, with its graceful stance and impressive antlers, is a classic wooden critter often used to symbolize the beauty of the wilderness. Carving a deer requires attention to detail, especially when capturing the delicacy of the legs and the grandeur of the antlers. Deer are often depicted in mid-motion, adding a sense of life and energy to the piece. Birds. Wooden birds, from robins to owls, are incredibly popular. Their grace and elegance make them perfect candidates for the intricacy of wood carving. Owls, in particular, have a deep symbolic meaning, representing wisdom and mystery. These creatures are carved with a focus on their expressive eyes and feathers. Bears and wolves. Large animals like bears and wolves symbolize strength and endurance, and they can be beautifully rendered in wood. Carving these powerful creatures requires attention to detail, particularly in the fur and facial features. Rabbits and squirrels, smaller, more playful critters such as rabbits and squirrels, are also commonly crafted from wood. Their delicate features and energetic poses make them ideal subjects for carving. These animals often evoke feelings of joy and playfulness in those who view them. Fish and sea creatures. The flowing lines and curves of fish and other aquatic animals lend themselves beautifully to wooden sculptures. These critters can be carved with fluid, sweeping lines, capturing the movement of water and the elegance of the creatures that inhabit it. Elephants and lions. As symbols of strength, wisdom, and royalty, elephants and lions make stunning wooden pieces. The trunk of an elephant or the majestic mane of a lion provide opportunities for intricate detailing that makes these sculptures stand out. Why wooden critters are perfect for home decor. Wooden critters make an excellent addition to any home for a variety of reasons. Firstly, they bring nature into your space. In a world full of concrete and glass, natural materials would create a calming, grounding effect. Wooden animals create a sense of serenity, connecting us to the beauty of the natural world and helping to foster a feeling of peace. Secondly, wooden critters work well in any home style. Whether you have a modern, minimalist home or a rustic cabin, wooden animal sculptures fit seamlessly into various design schemes. In a contemporary living room, a sleek, polished wooden owl can serve as a chic accent piece. In a country cottage, a hand-carved wooden deer might become a centerpiece on a mantelpiece. Finally, wooden critters often tell personal stories. Many people choose to display animal sculptures that have personal meaning to them. Perhaps you have a wooden eagle in your living room because it symbolizes freedom, or a rabbit on your bookshelf because it reminds you of your childhood. These pieces are more than just decor. They are reminders of personal connections to nature and memories. Where to display wooden critters in your home. The beauty of wooden critters is that they can be displayed virtually anywhere in your home, depending on the size and style of the piece. Wooden critters are a truly unique and charming way to bring the beauty of the natural world into your home decor. Whether you're drawn to the elegance of a stag, the playfulness of a squirrel, or the grace of a bird, wooden animal sculptures add warmth, character, and personality to any space. These pieces are more than just decorative objects. They are representations of nature, captured in wood and crafted by hand, telling the story of the animals they depict. One of the most delightful aspects of wooden critters is their versatility. They fit seamlessly into almost any room of your home, transforming the space with their organic beauty. For example, in the living room, a large wooden deer sculpture can act as a stunning statement piece, evoking a rustic or woodland charm that draws the eye. Smaller wooden animals, like birds perched on a shelf or squirrels nestled in a corner, can add a whimsical touch that brings life and joy to your home. The kitchen is another wonderful space for incorporating wooden critters. Imagine a hand-carved owl sitting on the counter, or a fish crafted from wood adding a coastal feel. These pieces bring warmth and a bit of nature's magic to the heart of the home, making the space feel more inviting and comforting. They create an atmosphere that's both rustic and refined, offering a perfect balance of elegance and nature. Wooden critters also have a place in your bedroom. Consider a small carved animal placed on your bedside table or dresser. These pieces can evoke calm and serenity, helping to create a peaceful environment for rest and relaxation. A wooden bird, for instance, can symbolize freedom and tranquility, making it the perfect addition to any bedroom that aims to provide comfort and relaxation at the end of a long day. In entryways, a wooden critter can serve as a welcoming gesture, greeting guests as they arrive. Whether it's a carved fox or a proud horse, these pieces can set the tone for the rest of your home, inviting warmth and personality into the space. Their natural look creates an inviting atmosphere that makes your home feel more open, welcoming, and connected to nature. Outdoor spaces are not to be overlooked when it comes to wooden critters. A wooden sculpture in your garden, whether large or small, can blend beautifully with plants, flowers, and the natural surroundings. From an intricate wooden owl perched on a garden post to larger sculptures of animals like bears or deer, these pieces help connect the outdoor space to the beauty of nature while adding an element of art. By choosing wooden critters, you're not just adding decoration, you're creating a connection to nature and the animal kingdom. Every carved detail, every shape, and every texture brings the essence of the natural world into your home. It's a celebration of craftsmanship, artistry, and the timeless bond we share with the animals around us. Whether you're drawn to the playfulness of a small squirrel or the grandeur of a wooden lion, these critters bring more than just beauty to your home. They tell a story. They evoke emotions and memories of the natural world, and they help create a space that feels alive, warm, and filled with personality. Wooden critters are a wonderful way to add charm, whimsy, and a touch of nature to any space, making them a timeless and meaningful addition to your home. Thank you for watching. If you found inspiration in these wooden critter ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more creative and unique home decor ideas. See you in the next video.